Hey guys, are you want to buy best hard tonneau covers for truck? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best hard tonneau covers for truck that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mostplus Quad Fold Soft Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This quad fold tonneau cover is designed specifically for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 style side models with a 5.5-foot, 67.1-inch bed, ensuring a precise fit. Installation is simple with all necessary hardware included, no drilling or modifications required. A bonus stick touch lamp is also provided for added convenience. Built with durability in mind, the cover uses double-sided tear-resistant vinyl supported by 3 heavy-duty aluminum powder-coated frames and 4 horizontal crossbars, preventing airlifting while driving. Its waterproof and UV-resistant design keeps your truck bed protected from rain and sun, ensuring your cargo stays dry and secure. For added safety, it features a patented U.S. clamp system that provides a firm, reliable hold. Overall, this cover delivers excellent protection, easy setup, and long-lasting quality, making it a practical upgrade for F-150 owners seeking both functionality and style. Now our second product is Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This tonneau cover is built for durability and convenience, making it a strong fit for 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 and 2022 to 2025 F-150 Lightning models with a 5.5-foot bed. Featuring a U.S. patented design, it's constructed with heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and aircraft-grade aluminum frames, reinforced by stainless steel clamps for long-lasting reliability. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide solid support and fold seamlessly with the cover, giving you full bed access when needed. Installation is straightforward with included instructions and hardware, no drilling required, though minor trimming may be necessary for over-the-bed rail liners. Compatible with under-the-bed rail liners without modification, it ensures wide usability. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, this cover offers both peace of mind and premium protection. Overall, it's a rugged, easy-to-install solution that enhances both functionality and style for your truck. Our third product is Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This trifold tonneau cover is custom-engineered for a perfect fit on 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic, and 2019 to 2025 new body models with 5.7-foot beds, excluding Ram box, split tailgate, and bed track system. It transforms your truck bed into a secure, weatherproof storage area, keeping cargo safe from rain, snow, dust, and prying eyes. The integrated tailgate lock adds extra security, while the trifold design ensures easy access when needed. Built with a durable double-layer PVC material, it resists UV rays and delivers strong tensile strength. Pre-assembled powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps provide long-lasting stability. Installation is tool-free and hassle-free, just follow the included guide for a quick setup. With its sleek, contoured design, this tonneau cover not only protects but also enhances your truck's modern appearance, offering both function and style in one package. Now number 4, Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This hard trifold tonneau cover is custom-built for 2007 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 models with a 5.8 feet, 69.3-inch bed, compatible with the multi-flex tailgate, but not Carbon Pro beds. Constructed from durable fiberglass, it resists wear, harsh weather, and even hail without denting, ensuring long-term reliability. The aerodynamic design improves fuel efficiency while staying stable at highway speeds, unlike soft covers that flap or bounce. Security is a key highlight, with reinforced hinges, tough latches, and a locking mechanism that keeps your cargo safe from theft. Installation is quick and tool-free, using a clamp-on, no-drill process for hassle-free setup and removal. Included extras like weather stripping and 6 clamps add value, while the 60-month warranty provides peace of mind. Overall, this cover blends strength, security, and sleek style, perfect for truck owners seeking durable protection with added efficiency. And our last choice is Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cove. This tonneau cover is specifically designed for 2024 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma 5-foot beds with the factory deck rail system, ensuring a precise fit and sleek appearance. Built with a U.S. patented design, it features heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl and aircraft-grade aluminum side rails, supported by built-in horizontal crossbars for durability and full bed access when rolled up. The cover seals with Velcro on the sides and secures via a tailgate latch lock, while the adjustable tension system keeps the vinyl tight and wrinkle-free in all weather conditions. Installation is simple with included instructions and hardware, no drilling required, though minor trimming may be needed for over-the-bed rail liners. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, this cover combines strength, convenience, and style, making it a reliable, weather-resistant, and secure solution for protecting your Tacoma's cargo. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.